Schools don't teach financial intelligence. That's why people go to school and remain poor. Schools were not created to help you become rich. Schools are products.
Hey there, Gospel Ezugu here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you why most graduates are broke and poor and what school system denied you. Apart from that, I'm going to be showing you 5 kinds of educations that you need in order to make money and create wealth. If it's your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. And to my returning viewers, welcome back. Alright, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on all your notification bell so that you can get more amazing videos from this channel. In this channel, I show you how you can become more digitally productive and make money online. Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be asking some form of question and I'll be providing the answer using some video clips from a popular pastor from Nigeria, Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. Is the author of School of Money, a best-selling book from Nigeria on how you can make money. He calls that book the Bible of Money. Okay, I have the book and it's a very important book. If you can get it for yourself. Hey there, I know one of the reasons you have stuck till this point in this video is because you have the same passion just like I have. So in this video, we will be helping ourselves together. Like since I graduated from university, I've had this passion of becoming wealthy in life. So if Dr. Olumide was present here, I would have asked him, what do I need to become wealthy?
You need financial intelligence. You need financial education if you are going to be wealthy.
Yes, I understand that, and I've gone to school and I'm intelligent, in quotes. I've gone to school and I've been educated. But since I've graduated, just like many other students, we struggle to make money. So my next question is this: why do several graduates remain broke after getting certificates from school? Like everywhere, especially even in this Nigeria.
Listen and listen well. Schools don't teach financial intelligence. That's why people go to school and remain poor. Schools were not created to help you become rich. Schools are products of capitalist movements. Schools were created to create you. Hello? So you see a man loaded with the deposit of heaven. The man goes to school, and after a few years of being schooled, he comes out on the other side of the school factory. He has been made and recreated in the image of his generation. Then he tells you, I'm an architect. He reduces his existence to what he has been trained to do. Are you getting it now? I'm a doctor. I'm a lawyer. And then when you try to get them to do or see anything apart from what they believe they have, their mind can't capture it because they have been programmed for 21 years in the school system.
School don't teach financial intelligence. I'm bothered, and I would like to ask this question because since I graduated, I've been trying to do business, but it's actually not working. So why is it that most graduates also fail in trying to do business? I mean, after school, trying to do business. Why do most graduates fail in doing business?
So schools don't teach financial intelligence. That's why you find out that you can have BSc in business administration, yet you can't run a barbering salon successfully. Why? Because they teach you the theory that have expired. They don't give you the practical that is required. Because majority of the textbook that are used in school are information that does not work anymore. So by the time you go to school, now listen to me, by the time you go to school, as a matter of fact, those that are even going to school now, they have it worse because information is being replaced faster than it used to be. So by the time you enter year 1, by the time you get to year 4, everything they have taught you has expired. I'm going somewhere. Over 80% of everything you learn in school is useless after graduation. Useless after graduation. Over 80%.
Alright guys, so if you are a graduate and you're watching this video, I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Is this true? Over 80% of everything we learned in school becomes useless after graduating. I would like to hear from you in the comment section below. What has been your own experience? And have you tried doing a business in the past? Did you pass or did you fail? Let me hear from you in the comment section below.
So am I saying don't go to school? No. I have 2 masters. I'm on my 2nd PhD now. I'm writing my dissertation now. I should be graduating in another 3 months. So I'm not saying don't go to school. I'm on my 2nd PhD. But I'm telling you that when it comes to wealth creation, you need financial intelligence.
Okay, sir. So having heard all the things you've told us in this answer concerning why most business fail, created by graduates, okay, so do you advise us to continue to go to school? And why is it that most of our lecturers we don't admire to be like them in terms of being wealthy, and many times most lecturers go on strike? Why is this always happening, especially in Nigeria?
That is why the dean of faculty of econs is a poor man going on strike. That's why all the lecturers are going on strike. They teach government, they teach economy, but they can't manage their personal economy. Why? Because even though they have academic education, they lack financial education. Read your Bible very well. All the wisdom of Solomon could not stop him from marrying 7,700 wives. He had wisdom to solve external problems, but he could not personalize the wisdom to live a holy life. So that a lecturer is teaching you and you're having first class does not mean that lecturer understand what they're talking about. How many rich accountants do you know? They know how to count other people's money. They don't have their own. Say, I'm a chartered accountant. Can you charter a plane? Can you charter Uber?
So having heard all this answer that what we learned in the school is not enough for us to create wealth and become wealthy in life. So what do you advise us? What kind of education do we need in order to create wealth?
Now listen to me. There are 5 kinds of education that you require to have all-round success. Someone say 5. Number 1, you need personal education. What is personal education? Is the understanding of yourself. To know yourself. What is your strength? What are your weaknesses? What are your likes? What are your dislikes? If you don't understand yourself, you will live a life of confusion. That's the first one. Number 2 is spiritual education. And that is what we get by connecting with God. But it's not enough. Spiritual education. Number 3 is marketplace education. Marketplace education. You need to understand the workings of the marketplace. When you hear industry standard, when you hear industry principle, when you hear the ethics of the trade, when you hear the policy, they are talking about marketplace standard. Why do you think that every time a job vacancy is advertised, they say the person must have 5 years experience? That thing they call 5 years experience is marketplace education. You must come educated to understand that when you become a man or a woman that is working in a corporate organization, teamwork is very key. Emotional intelligence is very key. Promptness to task is very key. Report is very key. Retiring funds is very key. You can't come to work 1 hour late and say you are doing quiet time. It's an error in the marketplace. Hello? So you need what? You need personal education. You need what? Spiritual education. You need marketplace education. And then let me give you one more. I won't give you the 5 so that you can go and get the book. You need financial education. Financial education. Now listen. Now, that financial education is very key if you are going to become rich and wealthy. Because the challenge is we have all the other kinds of education and then we don't have financial education and we wonder why we are not creating wealth.
Okay guys, thank you for staying till the end of this video. I believe you learned something for yourself. So it is not just enough to be a graduate. Make sure that you take that responsibility to train yourself in acquiring all the whole 5 types of education that was mentioned in this video. All right, so take it personal. All right, your financial education, your personal education, take them very, very personal, because these are the things we need in order to create wealth. All right, so if you got value from this video, I would like you to hit that like button right now and let me know in the comment section below the 5 types of education and the one you are going to be starting with today if you have not yet started. All right, until then, see you next time. Bye bye.